Waking up with tight legs, heavy eyes, and a mind already racing? Your body doesn't need to be forced awake. It needs to be invited. Let's hit the mat. Sometimes the fastest way to wake up is to slow down and stretch long. Come to all fours, tuck your toes, lift your hips to the sky. Press your chest towards your thighs, keeping a soft bend in the knees if needed. Let your heels reach for the floor. No rush, just length. I promise this move is how you unlock your entire backside and re-energize your breath. Tight hamstrings? Paddle your heels slowly to wake them up. We're just getting started. Next one builds strength and balance together. Now that your back is lengthened, let's switch on your core. Balance isn't something you find, it's something you build. From all fours, extend your right arm and left leg out long. Pause, then slowly switch sides. Keep your hips square and your core gently engaged. I promise this move is how you unlock core control and full body coordination. Beginners, shorten the range and work from knees and elbows. Do you feel that in your core yet? If not, slow down and find your center. Now that you're steady, let's flow into one of the most powerful moves for the hips. This is where strength meets stretch and balance meets beauty. From downward dog, lift your right leg high behind you. Keep your hips square and your shoulders even. Hold. Switch to the left leg after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock glute strength, hip opening, and spinal length, all in one. Feeling wobbly? Lower the leg halfway and focus on your breath. Hold for 5 more seconds, then switch sides. Now that your hips are live, let's give some love to your joints. Your joints are the quiet heroes of your day. Let's give them attention. Stand tall, begin to roll your wrist and ankle on the one side, then switch after 30 seconds, circling in both ways. Stay fluid and intentional. I promise this move is how you unlock smoother movement and reduce tension before it builds. One more depth. Flex your wrist as you roll to stretch the fascia. This is your reset zone. Next one closes it with calm. Now that the little things are moving, let's stretch long and land in stillness. This is where you exhale everything you've been holding. Stand tall, inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold forward. Let your arms and head hang heavy. Soften your knees. Let gravity pull the stress from your neck. I promise this move is how you unlock peace in your nervous system and lengthen your legs. Need support? Rest your hands on blocks or your shins. You've come this far. Stay with me. Let's make this last one your deepest breath yet.